up, the first thing I do is I have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and half of a lemon. I squeeze it in directly into the water. And then I had a cupful of the apple cider vinegar into the water. So this would be the first thing that I have in the morning. This is what it looks like. For breakfast, we're going to be making some toast bread with some avocado spread on it and some eggs as well as some chopped bananas. This doesn't make any sense, so swift, and let's get into it. So I have my whole grain bread already being toasted. This is the toaster that I have. It's pretty easy, and this is what I'm using. So while that is getting toasted, I'm just gonna make the eggs and then let's go. So first I'm just gonna spray a little, and then I'm gonna be breaking my eggs. Next I'm gonna be going in with some Creole seasoning. This has 0 calories, so I'm just gonna be using it to just kind of sprinkle a little bit, just a tiny little bit to your taste. So next I'm gonna be going in with the avocado. The whole grain bread ready, so now I'm just going to be chopping up some bananas to complete the meal. Typically I go in with half a banana and I just kind of slice it up. For a midday craving or snack, I just go in with half a bar of this snack. This is a bar from Kind, and I just love the taste. I try out different flavors, and this is my favorite. So for lunch, I have some delicious parfait. I would be making this with some low-fat strawberry yogurt. I also add some almond nuts just for some crunch. If you have some granola as well, that would be so bomb. Or you're into peanuts if you're not on a calorie deficit, but for me, almonds are the healthier option. And then I have some honey and some grapes as well as some banana. So I would go in with like 3 tablespoons of the low-fat yogurt, and then I just sprinkle like a handful of already washed grapes. And then I go in with like a handful of almonds. I usually count like 12 nuts and just sprinkle into my parfait. And then I chop in half a banana, which I include in the parfait as well. This is typically my lunch, to be honest, guys. I know the struggle is real, but it's quite filling. And then, like I said earlier, the almonds, I go in with like 12 nuts. I count it on my hand, or I just use like a handful, but nothing special. And then I just sprinkle in my honey. There you have the parfait, looking so sumptuous. Yum, you're gonna love it. So for dinner, I'm trying to do something light. I bought this already classic coleslaw, which is made of cabbage and some carrots, green cabbage and shredded carrots. And then I have already grilled chicken, which I grilled in bulk. So I already have this from my fridge, right from my fridge. And then I'm just going to be taking one. Yeah. And then I'm also going to be adding up my salad, and I have this avocado ranch that I put typically on my coleslaw. Let me just see the number of calories here. So it says 90 calories for like 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to be using 1 tablespoon. So that will give me like 45 calories. And yeah, my salad. So this is typically dinner. So I said I was going to use 1 tablespoon, but anyways, I'm just going to drop what I think is 1 tablespoon, eyeball it, yeah, so my ancestors say it's enough, which I believe they did, or maybe just a little more, but you get the idea. So this is dinner for me. Let me know what you guys think, but literally just 5 minutes, quick and easy dinner. Typically this is what my dinner looks like. Of course I'm going to be downing all of this with my water. I believe if you do this with your water, enough water, even if you're still hungry, just have your gallon of water. Make sure you have your gallon of water complete, and I feel like this will be fine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.